yeah, so this is the turbidity sensor, which again doesn't measure turbidity, it measures the dirtiness of water. It's quite a cool piece of kit. I only need it. It's way too expensive for anything else, but it's cool, and I'm keeping it. I was planning to return it to Amazon, but I actually kind of like using it. So, oh, you want a live demo of the sensor? Yeah, I can kind of do that. Right, live demo of the turbidity sensor. Cloud, god damn it, making me work harder. Right, probably gonna use the Pico for this. I don't even have cables out. Let me just show you my my current problem. Because to get a cable out, I have to dig through that box. See that? I have to dig through that. You see my problem? This is a Blink cable. Now, the only thing I've had from Blink was a wireless charger. So let's see if Blink provides you with a data cable for their wireless charger. Oh. Let's open. Oh wait, let me share screen. Let me share screen. Okay, let's put that in this corner. We should be able to open up main. Main should have the code I need. We're just gonna start a new project here, and we're gonna remove the turbidity sensor. What do I need from here? I'm just gonna copy all of these imports. 90% of them I don't need, but we're going to copy all of them. I'm going to copy turbidity sensor value. We're going to find, turbidity sensor diff. Yes, please. I'll take that diff any day. Most turbidity. I think that's all I need. Right. Oh, perfect example of me reusing code for something else. Right. Okay. This is screwed up, but okay. We'll just print that. That's fine. Let's just put this in a while loop so that it constantly prints this out. Print right trigger speed. Yeah, theoretically that should make it do that. I just need to add a sleep command. U time. No, I can just use sleep, never mind. Let's have it refresh every second. What pins am I using for this? Because I need 5-volt ground and was it pin 26? Cool. Let's get that done. That one. I need a second screen so badly. Right, I'm actually losing light here, so I probably should do this quite fast. It's minus, that's plus, that's data. Cool. So data goes into pin 26. Let's zoom in here. I should be looking at my live feed and not. I zoomed out. Wow, pro me, pro move me. Pin 26 is right here. It's an analog pin. Lovely. Right, this is plus, so let's put plus into 3.3 volts. And ground, quicker ground. It's any pin from the third. Cool. And we've got a lovely little bunch of lights here. Right, and that's my turbidity sensor. Let's see if my code works. Run on the Pico, for automated, sure. Override it. Okay, so we're at 60. Now theoretically, wait, can you guys see the output of that? Yeah, I hope it, oh, it won't scroll with it, will it? Hold on. should refresh with it. Yep, fantastic. Right. So now it's saying it's 61. It's not calibrated right now, but if I put this in front of it, it goes to 160. Oopsie, I need to be lower. Yeah, so here we've got 59 to 60, and then put that in between. We have 130, 131. Right, now I can calibrate. It's calibrated for rice water, so it's not calibrated for this. Let me get some clean water and some slightly dirtier water. Give me a second. Right, here we are. Got 2 glasses of water. One of them has rice in it. The other one does not. Can you guess which is which? Welcome to my shitty game show idea. Let me zoom out slightly. Right, so this is actually the water I tested it on before. It says what I would consider dirty rice water. So that would probably be the 100% of the dirtiness level. So if I just stick that in there, we should see turbidity goes down to 60, 70. Don't make me look stupid, please. Okay, and clean water goes down to 41, 40. Okay, we can try recalibrating this right now, but it does take a second to settle. Okay. Let's get it to, okay. If I get it to print out the reading for each of those. Okay, we can stop the code. Print that. Cool. There we go. So now, if I put this in clean water, yeah, let's go with that. We pause that. So if we pause that program there, if we take the this number that it gave us, copy that, and we put it on this side, this code really is developed for something else, but okay. Paste. And now what I'll do is I'll run that program again, and I'll take a reading for the dirty water. I'll say that's good enough. So if we now take this value, copy that, put it in here, paste. Yep. And now we should now we should have clean means 7. So that's 4, 7. That's clean water. And now in here we should have dirty water, which you see it spikes exactly to 97, 94. And what we can do now is actually put this in clean water. See, we've got them quite low, and we can pour some of this water in. See, we've got now 23, 22, 21, 19. We can add a bit more. See, it keeps getting dirtier. Try not to get the sensor too wet. It's not technically waterproof because it's meant to put it in your own waterproof enclosure. But yep, see how that's. Let's add a bit more dirty water. That's 40. It's 40% dirty water now. And let's just chuck a whole bunch of dirty water in there. And now it's 64. There we go. So that's how the turbidity sensor works. You just gotta, oh no, did I get water on my Pico? That sounds dirty. So yeah, that's how the turbidity sensor works. Was that a good enough live demo, Cloud? Back to you. Does it see transparency? How transparent the water is? You could look at it that way, yeah, but it measures the part. I guess so the way it works is it shines a light from a. Hold on, I need to see the camera here. It shines a light to what I would assume is some kind of photoresistor, but it does it in AR, so it's slightly more accurate. So it shines a light directly to it, and how much of that light gets through is registered. So obviously with nothing in the way, it would be 100. If there's particle in the way that makes some of the light waves peer off, it obviously doesn't register them. So it's how many light waves are hitting that what I assume is a photoresistor. I'm not sure what it's called, the AR, the receiver. So however many of those light waves are hitting the photoreceiver. Is that a good enough explanation?